This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See that I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. I'm going to give us a false narrative to market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, the Feds decided to keep the interest rate at a 23-year high of between 5.25 and 5.50%. I told you guys since January there will be no rate cuts this year. As a matter of fact, I told you guys that I think it will be a rate increase because they have no control over inflation. And here's why I believe this is great for retail investors. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. But here's the thing. The current interest rate has the banks hanging on by their fingernails. Bottom line, and inflation is out of control. The Feds knew that if they were going on a regular business model without taking into account the pressure an interest rate hike would put on the banks, I believe the Feds would have raised the interest rates. So don't think they didn't raise the interest rate because they're thinking about consumers. They don't care about us, okay? They don't care about us. They didn't raise the interest rates because they know that if the banks are already hanging on by their fingernails with an interest rate at 5.25, 5.50, had they raised it up a half a basis point, the banks might have crashed a lot earlier than they're gonna crash now. That's really the bottom line. I believe the inflation is so out of control that a rate hike was mandatory. I believe it was mandatory. But the only reason they didn't do the rate hike was to help the banks out, to help the banks hold on for one more day or one more week or one more month. But if anybody thinks that I believe that there aren't more banks that are going down, that's going to fall in 2024, then you have not been paying attention. But you know, as the banks run out of liquidity, as they run out of money, that is less money available for them to lend to the bad actors, naked shorting AMC, naked shorting GME, and naked shorting other stocks. And when the liquidity finally runs out, when the banks tell the shorters, sorry, we can't help you, AMC, GME, and other stocks might start trading at their real price. That's what I believe. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Why do you think the Feds didn't raise the interest rates? Because inflation is doing well, or because they did it to keep the pressure off the banks, to help the banks out? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.